What's up, everybody? Steve here. I'm over at a property that my partner owns a construction company. He's a general contractor. We want to check out this firehouse and bring you guys through it as well. Thought it'd be kind of an interesting, but maybe kind of sad as well. This property is on the water that actually leads out to the Gulf of Mexico. It's on this creek canal area back here, and it's just over an acre of land as well, which is very interesting. But as you can see, flip you guys around. It's got a lot of frontage on this canal here, which leads into the Caloosahatchee River, which eventually will drop you out into the Gulf of Mexico. Very quiet area. This area is called Alva, Florida. I mean, it's definitely a beautiful piece of land for sure. Let's go ahead and take you guys in this house. The house is in this houses in this area of this size are trading around anywhere from $400,000 to $600,000, and it actually has a mother-in-law apartment up in the front of the property, so it can be an additional rental property, but I'll show you guys that as well. But this house either has to be pretty much scraped or possibly salvaged, but just looking at it before even going inside, I don't know if it's even possible to salvage this thing. The good thing is you do have the footprint of the slab with the plumbing fixtures and everything coming up, so essentially you could tear down the house and maybe salvage the actual foundation and slab, because it all seems to be in fairly good shape. But anyway, let's bring you through this thing. It's always eerie and sad walking into these types of properties. He's got a fan running, probably to prevent mold growth. There's that mother-in-law house right there. That could be another rental property. All things considered, it's a beautiful property. I just don't see how this property could be salvaged in any sense. This thing just looks like it was pieced together. That thing probably needs to be broomed as well. So they're asking just over $200,000 for this property. The lot value is at least $150,000, so you do have some improvements, especially if you're able to rent that mother-in-law suite out, maybe fix that thing up, generate some revenue, and then rebuild this house. The problem is that there's no way that a price tag of $200,000 is gonna make it work on this property for resale, because I mean, even if you're able to save that slab, you're probably still looking at least $300,000 to build a house on it. So in terms of a quick flip, there's no way that that I think the $200,000 mark would make it. Maybe if you can get it for 100 grand. But damn, it's always eerie going into these types of properties. It's sad, you know. You got people that, in many cases, they lose everything because of a fire or some sort of natural disaster. And it's really sad whenever we're going through types of properties like this. In some cases, people don't even have insurance, so it's kind of delicate in terms of making offers on these types of properties as well. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.